At PNC, we believe some of the most basic and boring information can lead to brilliant outcomes. Today, we'll show you how to endorse a check step by step. First, make sure the information on the front is all correct and confirm your name is on the line titled Paid to the Order of. Once you're sure everything is right, turn it over and sign your name. That's it. You're ready to get paid. In some cases, you'll want to add a bit more information because once you sign it, it can be cashed by anyone. You can add a few notes above your signature to prevent that. Adding "for deposit only" above your signature ensures the check can only be deposited into an account with your name. At PNC, we suggest writing "for PNC mobile accept only" for online and mobile deposits, but check with your bank or credit union as this policy can differ. Since mobile deposit has become much more common, many banks and credit unions include a checkbox for it just after the endorsement line. Check made out to a business? Write the name of the business listed in the Paid to the Order of line and sign your name as an authorized representative. When checks are written to a third party, like a law firm, on behalf of a client, endorse the check by writing the company's name and FBO, meaning for the benefit of the recipient. You can cash the check and create a paper trail showing the ultimate beneficiary. Learn more on PNC Personal Finance Insights at pnc.com/learn.